Hello, my name is Hailu Kipada. Uh, I did the project using the different software, installing the SQL server, and I use for this project MSS and Visual Basic 2019. As well, I use a sample resource to develop this project, and this is all the structure was done. The data flows, like everything done, and then uh, here all the connection to the resource, and as well with the database connection was done here. And so let me start with debugging whether it's working properly or not. Here it's all right, and then everything was properly done here. The the data, this sample data for the tutor, as just everything as did as I get tutor on the YouTube you send us. And let me check with the Microsoft SQL Server Studio Management. We did over here this one for the backup, and the one is for the connection for creating the web. And let me check whether it is created or not. What I did there. Here is the database. The table was created. Fact currency rate plus was created. Let me check with the column, the average rate column, date, end of the date, and currency key, and date keyword here. This is the column created. The table name, fact currency rate plus. So all this done. Thank you.